Are you ready if there is a disaster? Is your emergency kit ready? Do you have an emergency kit?
Hi, my name is James Calgavin Zion Zal. In this video, I will show you the importance of having an emergency kit and the things that you need inside your emergency kit. What are you waiting for? Let's get on with the video.
Why is having an emergency kit important?
The right emergency kit helps people deal with a wide range of disasters from hurricanes and fires to fly pandemics and earthquakes. This ensures that people can prepare themselves at work, school, or on the go. The items included in the kit help people respond to basic first aid needs and prevent illness.
What do we need to bring in our emergency kit?
We need a flashlight, an extra battery in case the disaster strikes at night. We need a first aid kit. Inside our first aid are rubbing alcohol, medicine, bandage, band-aids, wound solution, and other stuff. These things can help if somebody got wounded, hurt, or injured. We should bring a radio or a portable phone to watch or hear news about the disaster. We need to bring water, 1 gallon per person per day, for at least 3 days so we don't get hydrated. We should bring food for at least a 3-day supply of non-perishable foods like canned foods, dry foods, chips, and other foods like this. We need a whistle because it can help us signal for help. We need to bring a dust mask to help filter contaminated air. For example, if there is a volcanic eruption. We need to bring a hygiene kit. Inside our hygiene kit are our toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, deodorant, cotton buds, and other personal hygiene stuff. We need to bring our ATM, credit card, cash, and change if in case we need to buy some stuff. We need to bring matches in a waterproof container. We need matches in case we need to make fire. Lastly, we need to bring the copies of all our important documents like photo ID, bank insurance, birth certificate, and other important documentation. We need to put these things in a waterproof case or a portable container. Now that you've learned the importance of having an emergency kit and what you need to put inside of it, I hope that you get started with your emergency kit. Thanks for watching and be safe always. Bye!